तुम अब कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? क्या तुम तैयार हो गए? Are you ready now? Are you ready now? मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. तुम्हें मुझसे क्या चाहिए? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? इसे कब शुरू करना है? When will it start? When will it start? क्या तुमने सुना था? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? तुम उसे कब बुलाओगे? When will you call him? When will you call him? मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए. I need some help. I need some help. तुम्हें किसने बुलाया था? Who called you? Who called you? क्या ये काम करेगा? Will this work? Will this work? तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? Where do you need to go? Where do you need to go? इसे ध्यान से देखो. Look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Can I come in? Can I come in? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? तुम मुझसे क्या छिपा रहे हो? What are you hiding from me? What are you hiding from me? क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? तुम्हें कितने पैसे चाहिए? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? तुम्हारा दोस्त कब आएगा? When will your friend come? When will your friend come? तुम इतने शांत क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? इसे ठीक से समझाओ. Explain it properly. Explain it properly. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? तुम अब क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? मुझे बताओ ये कैसे हुआ? Tell me how this happened. Tell me how this happened. तुमने अपना काम पूरा किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए. I need the answer. I need the answer. क्या हम बाजार जा सकते हैं? Can we go outside? Can we go outside? तुम इसे कब दोगे? When will you give it? When will you give it? ये इतना मुश्किल क्यों है? Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you sleep? When will you sleep? तुम मुझे कब मिलोगे? When will you meet me? When will you meet me? इसे वहां क्यों रखा है? Why is it kept there? Why is it kept there? तुम्हें और किसकी जरूरत है? Who else do you need? Who else do you need? क्या तुम सच में आ रहे हो? Are you really coming? Are you really coming? तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? ये किसका सामान है? Whose stuff is this? Whose stuff is this? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? क्या वो भी आ रहा है? Is he also coming? Is he also coming? क्या तुमने ये बनाया? Did you make this? Did you make this? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? तुम मुझे क्यों बुला रहे हो? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? क्या हम अभी जा सकते हैं? Can we leave now? Can we leave now? ये इतना बड़ा क्यों है? Why is this so big? Why is this so big? तुम कब तक आओगे? How soon will you come? How soon will you come? तुम्हारा जवाब क्या है? What is your answer? What is your answer? तुम्हें ये पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? तुम यहाँ क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing here? Why are you standing here? क्या तुम्हें मुझसे बात करनी है? Do you need to talk to me? Do you need to talk to me? तुम्हें क्या समझ में नहीं आया? What didn't you understand? What didn't you understand? ये काम कब तक खत्म होगा? When will the work end? When will the work end? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए था? What did you need? What did you need? क्या तुम अब आ सकते हो? Can you come now? Can you come now? तुम इतने परेशान क्यों हो? Why are you so worried? Why are you so worried? तुम्हें कब तक इंतजार करना है? How long do you need to wait? How long do you need to wait? मुझे सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए? What else do you need? What else do you need? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see him? When did you see him? क्या तुम ये रख सकते हो? Can you keep this? Can you keep this? तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? तुम अब क्या करोगे? What will you do now? What will you do now? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? ये किसका फोन है? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? क्या तुम उसे जानती हो? Do you know her? Do you know her? तुम्हें किसकी मदद चाहिए? Whose help do you need? Whose help do you need? क्या ये काम करेगा? Will this work? Will this work? तुम कब तक ठहरोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? ये कितने बजे शुरू होगा? What time will it start? What time will it start? तुम्हें घर कब जाना है? When do you need to go home? When do you need to go home? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? क्या हम यहाँ रुक सकते हैं? Can we stop here? Can we stop here? तुम्हें कौन बुला रहा है? Who is calling you? Who is calling you? तुम उसे कब बताओगे? When will you tell him? When will you tell him? क्या तुम ये कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए. I need the answer. I need the answer. तुम्हें किससे मिलना है? Whom do you need to meet? Whom do you need to meet? क्या तुम्हें ये पसंद आया? Did you like this? Did you like this? क्या तुम्हें पता था? Did you know? Did you know? ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. This looks really good. This looks really good. क्या वो तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? क्या मैं ये रख सकता हूँ? Can I keep this? Can I keep this? ये बहुत आसान है. This is very easy. This is very easy. तुम इसे कब लाओगे? When will you bring it? When will you bring it? तुमने उसे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call him? Why did you call him? क्या तुम मेरे साथ हो? Are you with me? Are you with me? तुम्हें यहाँ कब आना है? When do you need to come here? When do you need to come here? तुमने वो कब देखा? When did you see that? When did you see that? ये किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? ये किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? तुम मुझे कब बताओगे? When will you tell me? When will you tell me? क्या वो घर पर है? Is he at home? Is he at home? तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? क्या हम अब जा सकते हैं? Can we leave now? Can we leave now? तुम क्या खोज रहे हो? What are you searching for? What are you searching for? तुम इसे कैसे करोगे? How will you do it? How will you do it? ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is very big. This is very big. क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need something? Do you need something? मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. ये कितने बजे हैं? What time is it? What time is it? तुम्हारा फोन कहाँ है? Where is your phone? Where is your phone? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? तुम कब तक रहोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? तुम उसे कब बुलाओगे? When will you call her? When will you call her? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you sleep? When will you sleep? तुम्हें किससे बात करनी है? Who do you need to talk to? Who do you need to talk to? तुम्हें कौन बुला रहा है? Who is calling you? Who is calling you? तुमने ये कब बनाया? When did you make this? When did you make this? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see her? Did you see her? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग क्या है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? ये बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. This looks very good. This looks very good. तुमने कब पढ़ाई की? When did you study? When did you study? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए था? What did you need? What did you need? तुम्हें अब क्या चाहिए? What do you need now? What do you need now? क्या तुम अभी आओगे? Will you come now? Will you come now? ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? तुम कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? तुम्हें वहाँ जाना है? Do you need to go there? Do you need to go there? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? तुम इसे कब खत्म करोगे? When will you finish this? When will you finish this? ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? तुम्हारा काम कब होगा? When will your work be done? When will your work be done? सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।